ipakita sa mga tao at sa mga listeners po namin. Lalo sa Dixies po namin na paano na mahal po namin. Lagi pong sumusuporta po sa group.
P-pop is rising, so what's next for you?
So, syempre, eto magiging kami representative P-pop group sa Unique Handog, P-pop. So next naman yan, marami pa po kami mga goals, marami pa po kami mga gusto pang gawin sa aming musician career. And for now, gusto po namin champion po talaga yung album po namin 2020. First album po namin. And this lalabas na song po namin na Mahiwaga.
So last from me, sinabi na nga the Session Founder sa group ng po. So would you go through that direction or open pa kayo to try?
We're just gonna follow Elijah.
For me, since we're focused on this genre, we really want to spread this kind of like gardening for music and gusto namin yung vision. Ay, pag kunwari, tunog vision, parang gusto po namin na na-establish yung sound na ito. Ay, parang tunog vision yung ganitong sound. So we want to share it. But at the same time, we are so open din po for a lot of genres, mixing it with our identity. And staying true to ourselves.
Small follow-up lang from me. So nag-perform kayo sa Bragden and then nag-perform kayo sa Pride Festival. So part ba yun na advocacy ng vision as well?
Yes, of course. We want to embrace din po rights ng everybody, especially sa OG equality. Equality for everybody.
Thank you so much.
Last na lang sa akin, pahabol lang. Anong pasabog ng vision para sa Himig Handog this year?
Since P-pop po kami, so abangan niyo po baka may mga slight choreographies, and talagang pag-iisipan po talaga, kung conceptualize po namin kung ano yung gusto namin gawin, and together with our composer, Rob, and ipapakita po namin yung best po namin talaga sa kantang Mahiwaga.
Nung nilabas yung lineup, tapos lumabas yung vision, parang may mga fans na sasabi na kung lakas ng laban, na baka manalo kasi may mga P-pop community na nasusuporta. Kayo ba napipressure pa kayo na, naku, we have to win kasi dala-dala natin yung P-pop community. How do you handle that pressure or that big gap of responsibility?
We just stay obsessed with our work. Sa puso na binibigay namin sa bawat output. Tsaka syempre, hindi namin iniisip kung nasa top kami or nasa man kami. Nag-focus kami dun sa pinaka-art na ibibigay namin sa tao para ma-feel nila at mag-impact sa kanila in the long run.
And of course,
Rather na iniisip namin na competition po. Parang gusto namin gamitin itong platform na to. Spread positivity, gusto namin inspire yung listeners and yung mga pieces natin na pag pinakinggan nila itong song na to, mararamdaman nila na yung vision is katabi nila and nandun para sa atin.
and isa rin po sa isang mga malalaking platforms to promote P-pop. So isa rin din po yan sa goals namin. Promote P-pop din sa malaking platform.
No competition, kumbaga. Sonic Wear sa mga OPM artists.
P-pop, lalo na yung mga P-pop groups. Pero as a group, pero paano nyo inaano yung mga kung may misunderstanding kayo?
Dalas naman po namin sila pag-uusapan actually kapag may mga napapansin naman yung ibang nga pala hindi okay, hindi tahimik ang tao ito. So parang matik na sa amin yun, lapitan natin ito. Communication. Yes, communication is better. Hindi po mawawala yung mga misunderstanding sa grupo. Minsan hindi po kami nagpapansinan, like totoo po yan. Meron po talaga na part of our journey po talaga na hindi po kami mag-meet, hindi po kami mag-agree sa lahat. Pero in the end, pinapahalagan po talaga namin is communication. Communication is very important, lalo na kung isa lang din po yung goal namin as a group.
Thank you. Photo lang ulit, guys. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Here naman po. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you.
Miss World! It's alright!
Okay, sabulin mo.
Sa song na to, so yun lang po yung, kung ano po yung hinihingi ng song, yun po yung binibigay ko. And siguro po yung expectation ng mga tao, subjective naman po yun. It's either, hindi ko na, out of my control na po. And I am just really grateful po. Ayun po.
Thank you, Anne Rain. And now to past grand champion, Noah Alejandre from Philpop yan.
Wow!
Yes, grand champion na rin siya.
Ayun. As for me, answering the question with expectations, it's not a matter of expectations for me. It's a matter of like, portraying the emotion of the song na gusto mo mapadama sa listeners ko. And I've wanted to give justice to song na nasulat ni Mary. She's so beautiful, and I know every word of it. It's handpicked to portray gusto niyang ma-feel ng isang listener. And in terms of expectations nga, it's subjective eh. I'm not a person na just please ng people, but I just wanted to let a listener feel kung anong gustong mapa-feel ni Mary. Ayun.
I think that helps a lot, no? When hindi mo masyado iniisip na i-please yung mga tao. Pero maging totoo ka lang dun sa content. Yeah.
Totoo yan.
Thank you so much for your answers. And
Makakatotoo naman ako, kala mo interpreter ako.
no, as a listener, I think
Oo
we also
naman.
appreciate that. Yes.
So true.
Thank you so much to our press attendees as well. Thank you so much, Sir Jeff. Maraming salamat po sa iyong question. And also to our...
Yung group natin, technical, thank you so much.
Now have our brand
Ayan na.
with our composers and interpreters. Yung mga nasa online, smile na rin kayo, guys.
Mag-press tayo. Okay, we're having everyone right now. Sige,
After this, i-ready po natin ang ating mga sarili dahil i-divide namin kayo sa composers lang. Tapos
Everyone ready? 1, 2, 3.
So, but for now,
One more.
smile!
but may guts sa gitna. Sorry. Can we... Alright, sorry.
Yeah. Okay, good?
Okay,
Alright. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. One more.
Cheryl and Aaron and
3, 2,
Corpo, thank you
1.
for mounting
One more.
this.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you!
Okay.
Now let's have our composers!
Composers, sounds right. Okay. Ay, taray, nakaputon yung mga naka-bizu. Galing.
Okay. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.